step into the luminous realm of white, where simplicity meets elegance and purity takes center stage. This week's challenge will have you embracing the pristine palette of nature while nourishing your crown chakra, Sahasrara, the gateway to higher consciousness, wisdom, and spiritual connection. Why white? White symbolizes clarity, purity, and enlightenment. It connects to the crown chakra, located at the top of the head, which governs spiritual awareness, wisdom, and a sense of universal connection. Eating white foods can help clear your mind, uplift your spirit, and align your energy with higher frequencies. Please feel free to share our One Color Food Challenge to your friends and family to do this with you, and you can collaborate on who makes the best one color food. So rev up your creativity and see what you all can come up with. Rules of the game. 1. Stick to white foods. If it's not snowy, creamy, or pale, it's off limits. 2. Keep it natural. Artificially white foods don't count. Buy marshmallows. 3. Go minimalist. Embrace the clean and simple beauty of white meals. 4. Feel the light. Reflect on how white foods bring clarity and calmness to your week. What can you eat? White foods might seem basic, but their versatility is anything but boring. Here's how to fill your plate. Breakfast. Greek yogurt topped with shredded coconut. A poached egg on sourdough toast, white part only, no crusts. A creamy rice porridge with a splash of almond milk and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Lunch. Cauliflower soup with a dash of white pepper. White bean and garlic hummus with raw veggie sticks. Opt for pale ones like jicama or daikon. Grilled chicken breast or tofu over steamed jasmine rice. Dinner. Creamy risotto made with arborio rice and parmesan. Don't cod or halibut with a side of mashed potatoes or parsnips. A cauliflower steak with a garlic yogurt drizzle. Snacks and drinks, a handful of cashews or macadamia nuts. Coconut water or almond milk. White cheese cubes or a boiled egg. Challenges to watch for white foods may be subtle, but they'll surprise you with how much variety they can bring to your meals. The real challenge: keeping things flavorful and exciting. Spices like garlic, onion, and ginger can be your best friends this week. The chakra connection. White foods resonate with the crown chakra, helping you enhance your spiritual awareness and connection. It promote clarity and a calm state of mind, and feel more aligned with your higher self and purpose. When your crown chakra is balanced, you experience a deep sense of peace and understanding, as well as an ability to see life's bigger picture. White foods bring the simplicity and lightness needed to nurture this energy. What's your white wonder? Now it's your turn. What's the most creative or elegant white dish you can come up with? Could you handle a week of pure crown chakra nourishing meals? Share your ideas. Let's keep the inspiration flowing. Next up, orange, the vibrant color of energy, joy, and creativity. Let's turn up the heat.
The